Tow Truck Joe by June Sobel. Joe the tow is on the go. All day long he honks, hello. A fix-it truck for small and large, tows cars and trucks to his garage. Patch his pup sniffs out trouble, so Joe can help out on the double. Driving up and down the street, Joe sees cars and trucks to greet. A cement mixer passes by. Joe the tow beep beeps, hi. The cookie cart is in a rush, but stuck inside the traffic crush. Red light stop, green light go. Joe moves on and honks, hello. Patch the pup cries out a yelp. That car won't start, Joe can't help. Tow truck arrives before too long. Patch lifts the hood to see what's wrong. Joe can fix it. He is able. Joe connects his jumper cable. Car engine hums a happy song. The fix-it tow truck moves along. The fire engine's sirens yell. The ice cream truck rings its bell. The milk truck is running late. The grocery truck cannot wait. Red light stop, green light go. Joe moves on and honks, hello. Patch the pup cries out a yelp. A tire is flat. Joe can help. The mail truck's tire is out of air. Joe the tow has a spare. The wheel is fixed and spins around. When Joe the tow hears a sound. Screech! Screech! Bang! Crunch! Crash! Joe races over in a flash. The milk truck sped. A cart was struck, full of cookies. What bad luck! All the cookies now are crushed, just because the milk truck rushed. Cookie crumb piles fill the road. Engines grumble, traffic slowed. Joe honks to take time out. No trucks beep, no trucks pout. One for all for one. We can fix it. Let's have fun. Joe and friends act with haste. No cookie crumbs will go to waste. The grocery truck knows what to bring. Sugar and vanilla, just the thing. Patch the pup, always a fixer. Pour some milk into the mixer. The mixer stirs round and round. Trucks all watch without a sound. The ice cream truck's bell rings twice. Her freezer's empty and cold as ice. Patch snips and licks. It's not a dream. It's Cookie Crunch, their new ice cream. Trucks all follow Patch and Joe, driving carefully, going slow. A busy day comes to an end. For Joe the tow, a good friend. The end. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more stories to come. Bye bye.